Hi, in this section of video, I will discuss about how to create a histogram diagram, how to adding the density estimation to a histogram diagram and create a discrete histogram diagram. So previously we'll talk about the box plot. Today this section regarding to histograms. So let's get started with that. To create a histogram diagram, call the hist function. Okay, hist function. What you want to do, call the data set Car93 dataset I want to use, and Car93 datasets I want to use the MPG I want to create a histogram on this. So you can see the MPG from Car93 dataset is given the histogram diagram of like this. After that, create another histogram diagram for 20 number of accommodate the suggestion. Suppose hist of Car93 datasets and taking the data frame of MPG and it is taken to 20 number of histograms it will creates. So you can see the 20 number of histogram it will created. Okay, so it is the creations of histogram diagram. After that, I want to add the density estimations to a histogram diagram. How to do these things? To do these things, suppose I'm creating a sample first. Sample is taking r gamma function. From there I'm taking the sample of 500 samples from 2 and 2. In this dimension I want to take the r gamma functions, so you can check the sample. What is the sample values is like this. So after that, what happened, I want to create a histogram diagram of sample of 20 bar of probability is equal to true. Prob means probability equal to true. If you plot these things, you will get the answer of like this. But it is the sample and it is the density of 20 data frames, 20 bar plot, actually 20 samples. After that, I want to make a line on that, so the density line actually. So to do this thing, density density function you will call, and you will call the sample. So sample density will calculate it at here. After that, you will give the color, which type of color you want to give for the density to visualize it. So for that reason, suppose I'm giving the color of red color. So red color I'm giving, and you can give the line type also or line width also. WD means line width is equal to 3. I'm giving it here. No, giving it okay 3. Giving it here. It's not a problem, and plot it. So unused argument columns are red line with 3. So here it is did a simple mistake that we want to make a line. It's not like that, it is lines with s. So run it programs. Yeah, fine. Already you can see the graph right here, and the density function of this like this. For each on 20 bar it will create a density, and average density will be created, and it will create a graph like this. Okay, after that we will move forward in another's that to how to create a discrete histogram. Suppose you want to create a discrete histogram, how to do these things. So suppose we plot the thing first, that table. In the table you will create car93 datasets, and you are taking the max price of the data frame. Okay, it will taken in inside the car, and you are giving a line type of age, line type of given as a type is age, sorry, type is age you're given. After that you will give into the another things. Suppose you want to give which line width and LWD, I mean line width, what will be the width. Suppose width is given as 3, and YLAV you can give or you cannot give. You can keep the main also, it doesn't mean. YLAV is like you actually frequency wise we want to do these things. So run it, you'll get a discrete diagram of your histogram. It is, see the discrete, because each and every line is separated from each others, none of the line is overlapped with each other, so it is called a discrete histogram. So along with that you can add something else like this. So I want to do something else modification with this diagram, so I'm copying this line and paste it here. Actually copy the line is shift alt and control function is not working, and here in R. So car datasets, table is there, mean price is there. After that you want to divide these things with the length, length of, sorry, car 93 datasets of we will choose max price. Okay, max price text from here. You can take the price also, not an issue. And you want to plot, you will plot it here, you will get another type of data sets. So which type of data frame you will take, it is not a means. So on that basis it will be created a discrete histogram diagram of like this. So today in this video this much only. Please subscribe, like my video, and press the bell icon and share my video. And my very precious thing is not the video, even though YouTube, and more than that the subscriber. So I love you subscriber too much, because my revenue is from there only. So please subscribe my video and share it, and follow my others video like data science, machine learning, R programming, Python hiring challenge, data minings. So today this much only. Hope you enjoy. Have a nice day. Bye.